My name is Armando Garcia, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to go from 0 to 10K per month if I had to start all over again with WAAS. Now, why you should listen to me? I actively run a 100K per month agency. I've even got flown out by Iman Gadji after hitting my first 100K month and got a Rolex gifted by him. I have all my dream cars. I have my dream home, and literally, this is the second agency that I built. It's a proven blueprint, so you want to stick along. This is no fancy, like I said, raw and straight to the point. So now I'm going to share my screen here and show you guys. So if I were to do 10K failures in 30 days from 0 as a complete beginner, the first thing is going to be acquisition. That is going to be finding clients. Now, where can you find clients? You can find clients in Google Maps. You can find clients in Instagram and Facebook groups, even in TikTok, guys. I've closed some of my beginning deals straight off TikTok. There's a lot of local businesses that post their business on TikTok thinking that they're going to go viral. But at the end of the day, that's not going to get them any money. So scrolling down, guys, I'm going to show you, we're going to find local businesses in a specific. That's going to be our main prospect. We're going to look for people with no websites or a trash website. As you can see here, I searched up roofing companies near my area. And you can see here, these don't have websites. So these are people that we're easily able to reach out to. Now, even if they do have a website, you might ask, well, what if they do have a website? Well, if they do have a website, but it's a trash website, you can still pitch them. I've literally sold so many people websites like that. They already have a website, but I literally just sold them the updated site with the automations. Now, really quick to break this down and make it clear, guys, we're not necessarily just selling the website, we're selling the outcome. At the end of the day, people don't really care about websites and about being fully transparent. They care about the outcome. They don't care about the boat. They care about how they literally want to get the outcome. You know what I mean? You can go in a trash boat, but if you catch the best fish, doesn't matter. They care about the outcome. Now you may be wondering, what's the outcome? Them making more money, them getting more customers. The local businesses that you're working with, you want to get more customers. So how are we going to do this with the sites? I'm going to break that down here. Now, from there, step 2 is going to be basically making previews within 5 minutes. Now you may be wondering, well, Armando, what do you mean making previews in 5 minutes? Let me explain, guys. If you're just starting off, why would I trust you and pay you $1,000, $2,000 to build me a website? If there's other companies out there that are reaching out to me, or, you know, there's a lot of things. There's GoDaddy. There's so many things that I can go to. Why should I pay you specifically? What results do you have? What case studies do you have? What testimonies do you have? And if you're a complete beginner, this is literally the hardest thing you're going to encounter because you have no proof of concept. You literally are just a complete beginner trying to land your first client and make your first couple $1,000s. But that won't be possible if you don't have results. Now, the reason we make previews is because that is the result. You're basically making a preview of what their website would already look like. That is literally, you're sending them the product, guys. And this literally changed the game for me because when I was starting off, I had no results. I had no case studies. I was literally stuck cold calling for 2 months. And so I was able to make Loom previews of websites and show the customers what they would get before they even purchase it. For example, it's like you wouldn't go and buy a car without test driving it, right? Same thing with the websites. They want to see what they're getting before they even pay for it, guys. And this literally simplifies the entire process, the entire sales process, and makes it so easy. So from here, once we make the preview, you can see we will send it over in the DMs. This was actually a Facebook DM. Hey man, I noticed you were an existing website. There wasn't an existing website for your business, so I want to show you this front page I made for you. Let me know what you think. Oh wow, how much does this all cost? Boom, right there, guys. We have an interested customer just by simply sending them a preview. From there, all we have to do is get them on an appointment and be able to close the deal. Now, from there, all it takes is literally step 3, which is pitch the preview. And I'm going to show you how I would pitch it here. This is a different customer. This is a video showing you the rough draft of the website, 12-page build out, individual pages per service, on-page SEO, Google My Business Integrated, chat widget assistant. There's a little bit of all fancy talk. This is all included with Go High Level. And if you, by the way, if you don't have Go High Level, that's where we make all our websites with previews. I actually do give snapshots, what is a snapshot? It's basically all the websites that my company has built. They're already imported into your Go High Level account. If you want to sign up, there should be a 30-day free trial link down below. Now, to be fair, I do make money when you sign up with my link, but that's why I also give my affiliates via SMS system that you will own. That is a CRM system, guys, and that's actually the best selling point. As soon as someone fills out a form in our client's website, the system automatically sends the lead a message, which is the customer for your client, and it sends your client a message, and it literally connects them. Now, you're basically, you see what I'm saying? We're not selling the website, we're selling that connection. It makes it so easy. It literally replaces having a full-time assistant, and that's why people don't cancel. You become an operational cost instead of just another expense on the table that people will cut off. That's why the MRR, the monthly recurring revenue in this, is so freaking sticky and literally pays for all my cars, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. Now, auto reply with reviews and updates on the website. Go High Level takes care of all the fulfillment, guys. Go High Level takes care of. You don't have to freaking lift a finger. Total payment of $9.97. What's up, bro? When came with the website? Where going? Boom. Literally pre-sold on just simply messages. So we basically are gonna have an initial investment of $1,000, and from there, it's gonna be basically getting paid, guys. So what we do is collect $500 up front and $500 when the website's ready. So collecting payments, literally, like I said, $500 up front, $500 when the website's ready. When the website is done, you're basically building passive online real estate. And let me explain what that means. So when the website is done, you show it, and look, here's what basically a preview, a little bit of what a website looks like. We have our services, the form, call us now. They're pretty sick websites, and they're all built within Go High Level. Now, step 5 is getting $99 a month to keep everything up and running. And this, guys, may not seem like a lot right now, but I'm telling you, once you keep getting clients, it adds up and it makes such a huge difference. So you can see, I went from charging $99 to even $197 per month, and I'll talk about that in another YouTube video where I'll explain how to upsell your clients with the hosting. But now we literally have $99 a month coming in. Now you may be thinking, well, how is this gonna help me? Well, if you were to sell 20 websites, that is $20,000 up front, and that is $2K coming in every single month. Do this enough, and you can see here one of the reports from May. Average sales $99, $22,000 in passive reoccurring revenue. And the hosting, Go High Level takes care of everything entirely. And let me know here if the guys, like I said, these are raw videos straight to the freaking point. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos, and let me know if you want me to break down the automations and how they work. And drop down a comment below if you want to see that. Now, if you were to sell 20 websites, let's say half of it, you would sell 10 websites, that's 10K in 30 days, and then you have $1,000 coming in every freaking single month. How good is that? $1,000 can cover a lot of things. It can cover a car bill, it can cover a lot of things. Do it long enough and you'll get to numbers like these. Now, that to the side, that is literally how I freaking afford all these cars here. A Ram TRX for my brother, Lamborghini Urus, AMG GTR, Corvette C06, my McLaren, the truck that I bought for my dad, be able to take care of my parents. I literally, before recording this video, I was over with my parents, handed them cash so they don't have to work ever again a day in their life, guys. Money is so simple to make once you actually crack the code. Now, take it from me, I'm freaking a Hispanic, born and raised in Mexico, came into this country, my English is chopped, but I'm still able to make it happen by simply just following a step-by-step process. Now, trust me, I've been where you are. I've literally spent over $100,000 in mentorships, programs, courses, all the BS, all the fluff. Yes, I get it. I'm tired of it myself, guys. But till this day, I continue to invest into myself because I'm never gonna stop learning. There's that one saying, the more you learn, the more you earn, and I truly, truly believe that. Now, just as there's BS people out there, there's legit people out there. And that's why I don't like a lot of the gurus out there, guys, because they do a 1K month, and that's why I don't like a lot of the gurus out there, because they do a 20K month, 30K month, and they think they know it on all, guys. I've ran 2 marketing agencies. I've gotten both successfully to 100K per month. The blueprint is proven, and literally inside of our program, WAAS 2.0, I have so many students literally who go from literally just working a 9 to 5 or working construction, not only how to use laptops, just like I started, to literally building passive income and literally replacing their job with WAAS, guys. That's why I preach and practice is what I say. If you do want to get a chance to apply, I will leave a link so you can apply to join WAAS 2.0. With that said, stay tuned in every freaking Sunday. I'll be dropping more and more bangers like this. Let me know what you guys think about this raw video. I'll get back to you guys next Sunday.